everyone, welcome to B News, BLA's newest production. I'm here, it's your girl Monique, and I definitely have all of the news that we've given out today. And first we're going to start off with Spice, the so-called queen of dancehall. Let me not say so-called because we all know that she is now the queen of dancehall since as lady saw she starts singing gospel. Hallelujah! So Spice reportedly is in the middle of the long-going feud with Elephant Man and Beenie Man. Recently posted a video on Instagram with Elephant Man and saying that who wants to go to supermarket, please make the list for me. That's stating that she is definitely on the side of Elephant Man, I guess, because with the whole feud with Beenie Man and her from last year, Beenie Man was on stage and I think Beenie Man said something about Spice not yet ready to be the queen of dancehall. She have to work for it. Well, Spice is definitely working like Portia Simpson Miller in a different way because Spice is booked and busy. Yes, people, that is number one. Number two is basically the other news is what other news again, Sanjay?
Why the Grammys, you know?
Alright then, so here the Grammys. We have all of the nominations out with the albums and all of them. Something there. Number one. The first nomination we have out is the album with Sting and Shaggy, which was expected. Sting white, Shaggy international, so seriously, that expected. We have Protege. We have Protege, of course, which me like the on the black and white side, Protege white. Ziggy Marley, Sanjay? Sanjay is here with me. He's my backup. Trust me, anything me forget, him answer and a film like a cranny voice, you know, here, panitata. You can't see him there behind the scenes, guys. So you have Ziggy Marley as well. And guess who we have? Etana. Listen, and this is a big news because no woman haven't been nominated for the past 20 years when it comes to the Grammy. So, I want to meet Etana and I want to shake her hand. Yeah. I really want to shake Etana's hand because this is a big move because we weren't expecting this at all. She just come from nowhere because Etana was like missing. It's like the plane, where the plane name? Something, the plane where it missing, that plane name. And then now she just rebirth and she just come for sweep and I wish she would have win. And we have some sad news because everybody, they were expecting Assassin's album to be nominated, but unfortunately it wasn't. But it was indeed a good album still. But anyways, we wish them the best and we're proud because everybody knows that Jamaica, they're on top of everything what we do with the whole Dalton situation and everything, even though that kind of still, you know. Him done, we now we done excited and we drink and we bust balloon and we clap. You understand what I mean? Yeah! Alright then. Let us move on. We don't have time. People busy. The other story, Sanjay, what you say?
Why we slap the flower in the dark, so still no.
Hey, you keep the flower. Listen to me. I don't want to hear no about no flower because guess what? Buju Banton free! And Buju Banton no want to say no flower. Buju Banton no want to say no white. Because anytime Buju Banton see something white, him start shake and start putting hand in me so because he feel like the police are going to lock him up again. Anyways, he's free, he's with his family, and we've seen pictures on Instagram surfacing him hugging up his daughter. Daughter was 8 when he left, finally free. He has copped a master's degree in jail. Can you believe that? I wish I could have got jail, go cap a master's degree free of course. Come on people, but Jamaica not do them love for something, they only foreign. But anyways, he has got a master's degree and he's home free. And now him can eat what I'm supposed to rightfully eat. He not look so mag and suck out. But when him come, him really look like some teacher, like him have some knowledge or some education for sure. Like when you see him at the airport, I come in with him glasses and the real gargamel, you know. But anyways, I guess that's the news for the week. I hope you guys will have a good week. And you don't know this is BLA production. Remember to follow me on Instagram at I am Monique Ellis, of course, and YouTube at Monique Ellis BLA production. Please remember to subscribe and comment below. Peace.